guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna attempt something crazy. So if you guys remember, a few months back I actually did a video of me dyeing my own hair at home, and it's just a bubble shampoo. But this time around, as you can read from the title, I'm gonna try to bleach my own hair because there's some part of my hair that's still uneven, and the only way that I can figure out to make it even is to bleach my hair. And I'm gonna use this April Skin turn up bleach to try to even my hair out. So it's a simple bleach and I hope that it works out well, so do watch to the end to find out more and see how it turns out. Go through the items that you need to bleach your hair. So for me, I'm using the April Skin one, the bleach, and you also need a pair of gloves to apply it on, as well as a bowl so that you can put the mixture of the bleach powder and stuff in and mix it well. And if you're like me, doing it in front of a camera or something, it's wise to use gummy roll so you can apply it easily. So yeah, let's get right into this up and see what's inside. So over here we have the bleach powder and the cream, so you just open this and mix this in the bowl together. So yeah, let's get right to it. So here is the bleach powder. I just use this side of it to actually mix it all together. So after thoroughly mixing it, it's supposed to look something like this, and you can get ready to put it on your hair. I'm pretty nervous, but let's hope that it turns out well. So yeah. So I'm gonna get my hair ready and see which part of it need the bleach. So as you can see, this part is pretty dark and this part as well, so that's the part that I'll be focusing on. So yeah, crazy hair, but let's get into it. Let's start. So I just finished applying it to my hair. As you can see, it's over here and here. I will apply it to areas that I want to even out the unevenness. So I'll leave it on for about 20 minutes or so, because as you can see, over here it says that 15 minutes is supposed to look like this and 20 minutes is like this. So to be sure and safe that it's brighter, I'll just leave it on for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I'll wash up and you guys will probably see how it looks like after I wash out and blow dry it. So yeah, let's hope for the best. So I'm back after leaving the bleach on for 20 minutes and blow it out. So as you can see, it's way more even now, and I really love the April Skin bleach because it's about $5, so it's really affordable and you can just do it yourself at home. There's still some patchy area over here that's not that bright. It's because in my case, I previously dyed black, so you know black dye is really hard to remove. So if you don't dye black like me, probably you have better result. But overall, I really love it. But remember to condition your hair after bleaching. And yeah, I also use purple shampoo to actually keep the color vibrant and wash out all the yellow and orangey color. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!